Hi and welcome to my punk rock cuisine. Today we're cooking the world's spiciest chicken jerky. So to make the world's spiciest chicken jerky, I've cut up some chicken very thin. I got the jerky machine. I have some marinated or fermented garlic honey. I got some chocolate bootla flakes. I got some Carolina Reaper flakes. I got also some of the Pepper X hot sauce from the Eatonist. This is some pepper juice, and this is Ugly Lily. Alright, so to start the recipe there, a pinch of salt on my chicken, just for a little bit of preservation. That should do it. Anyways, I'm gonna eat that fast. After that, I forgot to say about this ingredient, but it's pretty good to reveal eat. So we're gonna have our chicken black peppered with some pepper like this, and I need a little bit more than that. I need a flow here. What's going on? Wait a minute. All right, we need black pepper on that chicken. You want to have it going on pretty much every piece that you have. So black pepper, here we go. Don't be shy with the black pepper there. It's gonna give you a very spicy meat. All right, so once your pepper is sprinkled, next step. So these are two little dispensers that I have homemade and filled with one the Carolina Reaper and one with the chocolate bootla. I'm gonna first off be sprinkling some chocolate bootla flakes on that chicken there. All right, and I wanna have it moving around to both sides and have my chocolate bootla flakes sprinkled all over the world's spiciest chicken coming up for you, my friends. All right, this is step one for the spice there. Don't put just only a little bit of those, you want to have some. All right, another step into the eating project is Carolina Reaper flakes going into like so. We're putting a little bit more than the bootla even, because we all know Reaper is ugly and strong and will give us that world's strongest flakes that you can get almost, unless you maybe know Ed Curry and you could get some flakes of a Pepper X. But Carolina Reaper right now is the strongest pepper in the world. Next in, I will be using some honey, but not any honey. Some fermented garlic honey that I will use in there to give this a little sugar taste and a garlic kick. This is a little bit liquid as it fermented for a couple months in there with the garlic and some vinegar, a little bit. I actually don't want to have garlics in there, but anyways, I will use those later. Now that most of my dry ingredient and the honey are in, I'm gonna send this chicken to a pot and have going in some of the Pepper X from the First We Feast, the Eatonist, going in there. You want to have a healthy amount of that going. That should do the trick there for a really spicy beef jerky, as this is even worse apparently than Carolina Reapers. So this should do it very bad. After this, we are going to have some more hot sauce in there, just for the sake of it. I'm going to be putting in some of the Hass Reaper hot sauce. Hass Reaper, wait a minute here, which is very strong too, because it has some extract in there. It's very, very potent. That should do a trick here with spice. I'm gonna also be adding a homemade bottle of some pepper fermented sauce. This is our liquid for the recipe. And this is about it. This should be pretty darn hot right now. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to eat some. So we're gonna wait for 24 hours. This is the longest that I ever waited for sauce to go in the meat. And I'm gonna be jerking this back after, and we're gonna finish up the video. Alright, so this is the next day, and the jerky has been marinating for almost 24 hours now. So I'm gonna get ready, pile it in the machine, and have it to dry. God damn. Ole, ole, we're tasting this. I'll be hot, hot, hot. Alright, so this is the finished product. World spiciest chicken jerky. Let's taste it. Let's taste the fire. Alright, so testing the spiciest jerky, chicken jerky in the world. So I could take this piece, but no, not right now. Let's start with a small one. I did it. The jerky is spicy. You gotta eat this one slower a little bit. Maybe with a glass of milk. Oh.